Okay guys, here is a little update on the yellow truck. Yes, it is half painted. And it is in a different location. Now okay. Frame has been all redone. I am currently sanding that, getting that all ready. Everything else is all ready for paint except for there, and up there. Here, we'll go around on the other side and look. Yeah, I got a little bit of hole there I gotta fix. I'll go around another side here and look. Everything's still the same. Fixing air. Fixing that. Fixing retards. Fixing that. Got a new rocker panel on it. Here's where the frame's been now patched and put on. This here whole thing's off of another Dodge there, except for the springs. It's all new. Brand new fuel line. Only thing I gotta do left is, well, that right there. Finish. It's actually pretty smooth right now. I'll finish sanding it a little bit, put another coat on it. It should be done. Then after that, then that right there, you will not see no more. It would be probably right there, coming out this way, or either that way. I don't know. I'll probably end up putting it that way. That way we can get rid of the S-bend. There's an S-bend following this plate down, over, and then to the driver's side. Actually, I think I should be able to show you. Yeah, you can see a little bit of it. Yeah, you can see it right there. That's kind of retarded right there in my mind, but oh well. Yeah. You know all I have to do. See that there? Just here so you can get painted then. I don't know what color yet I'm going to paint it. And then I'm going to finish the rest then once after it gets inspected. And the bed will go on it. And she should be done. In the meantime, I'm still up to my tractor at Ford. I got that one there. I don't know if I can. Apparently I can't zoom. Piece of shit. I do have the other tire, and no, that's not staying like that. It is straight pipe. Automatic. Change the hood. Oh boy. Somebody fix this shit. It has a 15.5. Oh shit. Cooler. Well, if I can ever get this tape off. See, you can see some of it there. I'll do that another day. But it does work good. I like it. It's not incredibly fast, but it's good enough to do what I gotta do. And then, yeah, I made another freaking tractor. And this one has car tires on it. And there's a B. Yes, they are speakers. Hopefully it's not too dark in here for you guys to see. There's another. It has 14s in the front, 15s in the back. And there's my set of speakers. 4 speakers. License plate that came off of the Chevelle. Oh, the old one. It's not the one that's on it now. It's the old one. Repainted the whole frame, and there's the power plant. This is a 12.5 Briggs flathead. It has a 16 horse cam and crank in it. Well, yeah, cam. It has a 16 horse cam, crank, and connecting rod. The piston is still 12.5 original in it. Yeah, that's gonna be done, and it will have duals. Even though there's only one, it's gonna have these big ass motherfuckers on it, and they are, I don't know, like 1 inch, 2 inch maybe, 2-inch exhaust pipes coming out the rear. That looks awesome. Here's my switches. Nice. The kill switch. Wish it was NOS. And there's my starting switch. Of course, solenoids. But yeah. Oh shit. There's the beast. It'd be good to get this thing back on the road again. And then here's my Chevelle. In case you guys have seen this here lately. Doing a bit of work to it. Gotta get ready for body work. But yeah, that steering wheel will be coming out. Pop the hood. And I hope I can do this. Oh yeah. There's the license plate for them. That'll be HG that good. But I have to put a new ground cable on it. So I did that to positive. There's the motor. Chevy 350 small block. It's cam too, but I don't know if it's what it is. I'm guessing probably a mild cam or a little heavy cam. I'm not sure which. Yeah. 3 fuel pumps are on this bitch. I can run it off of one, but right now it needs a new element for in the gas tank. I have a new stainless steel gas tank for it. But right now it needs that there because my gauge doesn't work quite right. I have a half a tank in here right now, so it's empty. But yeah, there's an update. Hopefully I have more videos here to come once I find out what I did with my SD card from the camera. I can't find that right now, so yeah. But yeah, my tractor horde. My big new one. Yeah. I'll make here more videos here once I find the SD card. I have it somewhere. So, and then maybe I'll make up a strap. I could put it on that there on the mount. Well, actually make up a mount. I could put it on the tractor or something. Once I go through woods and shit. Yeah, well, I guess that'll be it for now. I might make a video tomorrow, I'm not sure yet, but this one here will be over for a while until I can find my card. Hopefully I can find it. If I do find it, I'll make a video tomorrow. Maybe we'll fire that thing up there, or actually fire this thing up here, and I'll have, if my buddy comes over, I'll have him record it, and I'll have to set up the camcorder. I'll get a shot driving this thing around. Yeah. Okay. But hopefully. All depends. Anyway, you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you in another video. Bye.